Hi guys, just a demonstration of a very simple card prediction trick, and I've already predicted the card that the person will turn over being the top card at the end of the trick. So we carry on. First part of the trick is relatively simple. Turn some cards over, showing them they're in no particular order, and then you ask them to stop at any particular time. Let's say they say stop here. Put those back on top, and we then create 5 piles of cards, and we just put 5 cards like so, and then dump that one in the middle. Next part is to ask the person that you've shown a trick to which end do you want to start picking up from. Let's say they say this end. All we do, we pick the cards up, place them on top of each other, and lo and behold, we ask them to turn the top card over. Now the top card in this case is the Queen of Diamonds, and our prediction, which I did earlier on prior to the start of this trick, is actually the Queen of Diamonds. Okay, so how does this trick work? Well, there's no major setup really. You can shuffle the cards as much as you want, you can cut them, whatever you like to do. The key to the trick is simple. When you're turning over the first set of cards, you can tell whatever story you like. The 2 of Spades is the key card to remember. So we carry on going, and then they say stop at some point, so we stop here. Place them on top as before, and we make the 5 piles of cards. And at some point you can then say, well, I'm going to write down what the predicted card is, and then you ask them to start picking up from. So in the previous demonstration we showed this end, so let's say they say this end. All we do is pick them up, place them on top of each other like this. So it's a free choice for them to which end they start picking up from. So we've written a prediction down, and we turn the top card over. It's the 2 of Spades. Fairly simple in its entirety, but the key to this trick is right at the very start. When you're turning over the first 3 cards, that's fine. This is the card that we have to remember, the Queen of Spades. And you can write that down at any time you like. So we carry on going if we want to, but for the showing of this trick we won't. So 5 piles of cards as before. So, and we place in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. So if you remember, when we turned the first 3 over, then the next 3, the Queen of Spades was the 5th card down, as in this end, and I'll just show you. So if they ask to pick up from this end first, you just put them straight on top of each other, like so. They turn the top card over, being the Queen of Spades, and then you show them the prediction. Obviously if they ask you to pick up the other way, it's just a matter of where the 5 piles of cards are like so, and this card is actually at that end, and they ask you to pick up from here. You just pick up on top of each other, and then the Queen of Spades will always be on the top. Hope you enjoyed the trick, and thanks very much.